What you working on?
Nothing. Just watching TikTok.
Watching the TikTok.
What are you working on?
Videoing you. How's the day been?
I stared at a computer all day. So we spent so much time getting ready for trying to get through Canada, and then once we didn't get through Canada, driving far, far away from Canada. I haven't done work in a couple days, so I needed to catch up. So I'm feeling a little cross-eyed, and I'm gonna go walk around in the meadow and see what there is to see.
The smoke is clear. Sit alone with a beer and write
Dinner update.
months of trouble.
We're eating dinner. We had some,
Tears on your face.
we're calling them knockoff dots. Snyder's of Hanover Twisted Pretzel Stick season. I don't know if they're supposed to be knockoff dots, but they taste pretty good.
I think
Not
they are.
quite the same, but much cheaper. And then we're gonna have a salad with some ground turkey on top.
Ground chicken, actually.
Oh, ground chicken.
Yeah.
Whoa.
And an avocado.
And an avocado. We also have our Cara candle burning. We'll put a link down below.
What flavor is that one?
This is the pine patchouli lemongrass. Hopefully I'm not messing it up by shaking it around while it's burning. But it makes it smell nice in here. If you guys need some candles, she uses, I'm gonna probably butcher this too, but essential oil candle. It says it right on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, essential oil soy candles. So we'll put a link for her down below. If you need to get yourself some candles, I highly recommend them. Tell her that we sent you. And I think that's about it. We're just been watching a little bit of TV. Jess worked all day. I rode the motorcycle up to the ski resort.
We told them that already.
Yep, just reliving the day again. That's about all that happened.
How
And
was
you
the,
saw the people jumped off a plane.
Ski resort.
Ski resort had a nice bathroom. It
Greg
really-
left to go look for a better campsite because we thought maybe there would be one with like a cool view or
Yeah, I was looking for
better
the view of the lake.
service.
I did find one.
Turns out we have a really good site.
We have a good site. I found one with a slight view of town and the lake with good service still, but the van wouldn't be able to pull up. It was more of a pull up the van to the side of the road and then hike into like a really cool tent campsite, and we don't sleep in a tent anymore very often, especially when we can sleep in the van in pretty much just as nice of a spot.
So we're staying here.
Cause we bougie now.
Good morning. We woke up to snow. It's about 48 degrees in the van. We turned the heater on. We're gonna warm it up. Pretty wet snow. Nice and wet. White snowflakes. So, it's gonna be another inside day. Probably get some more YouTube videos edited for you fine people. And stay warm. Cozy.
Hi, though. It probably started. It's not even raining.
Yeah, it was raining pretty much all night. Take a while
travel far, now retreating. I've longed for this place for so long. Now I lay me down and be lost.
So as you knew and know, it's a snow day. So maybe we'll show you what it's like to be cooped up in a van for an entire day. We do have the heater running. It is 63 in here, so I don't really need my puffy and my, but I have cold feet. I have my slippy doos on, as she told you about them. She's gonna make breakfast and then we're gonna, well, not we. She's gonna edit some videos for you. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might just sit here all day. What do you want me to do today?
I don't know. Play your ukulele.
I might do some adulting. We'll figure it out.
Yeah, I forgot to have you film me cracking an egg.
Oh, blew it. Eggs. I think it went quite fast that time.
It's good. They're greasy.
I can't see what I mean. She's gonna have to cook. Guess how warm it is in the van, guys. Can you see it? Anyways, I can see my breath. I don't know if you can. Meanwhile, snowy day work.
It's cold.
We're conserving our propane by not running the heat all day, even though we have plenty of propane. We're probably gonna turn it back
Sun came out and we were just standing here enjoying it. The birds are singing and I saw a sandhill crane come walking down this hill.
on. I'll go sneak up on him.
But he's behind a tree right now and Greg's gonna go sneak up on him. We'd actually never seen sandhill cranes until we came to Idaho for the first time 2 years ago. They're also known as sky steaks because they supposedly taste pretty good. There's a sky steak harvest season. Don't know when it is. We've always been intrigued. But they're actually pretty cool. They make this really crazy noise right at dawn and dusk. So it'd be cool if this one sticks around and if it has a partner, maybe we'll get to hear it calling later. Add an egg.
What?
Wow.
We got one of those?
Yeah.
One last ticket before it's gone.
Oh!
You tipped over. I've been banging my head on the cabinet. That's why. The bed slid forward because we're sinking in the mud right now. And so it was pushing me further forward and I kept banging my head on the cabinet.
I don't think this tastes like pad thai at all.
No?
I bought a pad thai sauce mix from the store. It's not bad, but it does not taste like pad thai.
Big day today, guys. Headed to town to get some groceries and gas. And maybe some ice cream. Don't tell nobody.
just 4 more. 3,
How does she know you've got it?
2, and 1. Well done. Press up onto your hands. We are going to
Shower day also equals might as well buzz my head day.
Going extra short this time.
Yeah.
'Cause last time he said he wanted it shorter.
It's pretty short.
Yes. It's very short. Greg put the Go Tread traction mats on the inside of the shower tent for a foot pad so that hopefully we don't get as muddy. How is it?
Good. I'm in water saving mode.
Yep. Pretty cold? Ish.
I wouldn't say cold, but I'm not hot. Alright guys, I'm having a bad day. Tell me I'm having a bad day. We can't get our action camera to connect to YouTube so we can do a live YouTube for you guys.
Greg gets frustrated when technology doesn't do what it's supposed to do.
Yeah, because first off, I'm old and I struggle with technology, but then when I'm doing it right, or everything I think is right, and you check the forums and you spend hours trying to figure it out and it still doesn't work, then I'm irritated with it. Which is fair, I think.
I mean, you can't let it get to you. It is what it is.
Yeah. So anyways, I'm watching the new Mothers on the Map YouTube right now. Just check them out. All you guys, if you don't, but I'm sure y'all do already. And they got some action of us being stuck in the van in Baja. I will blame that on them though.
It's 100% Kevin's fault.
Yeah. So, although I did
It's
try to
okay.
get him to go knowing he was going to get stuck. But, so yeah, we're having breakfast. I cracked some eggs on the back of the motorcycle coming back from town yesterday, so we had to make them today. So we were going to do smoothies, but eggs it is. We might get some ice cream again today. I think it's supposed to be the hottest day in the next 10. So we'll see.
So guess what, guys? This morning when I went for my little
Poop break!
poo hike,
Is that a pike?
sure, when I went for my pike, I saw the tiniest little bird nest, and I wouldn't have seen it except I just happened to walk close enough to it that I'm assuming the mom that was sitting in the nest flitted away, and it called my attention to it. And it has, I mean, it's literally like, it's so small, so I'm gonna hope I can find it again and show it to you guys. Here it is.
You don't touch it at all. It won't come back.
These eggs are literally like the size of a nickel. It's so cool. She's somewhere over here watching. I don't know what kind of bird she is, but she did this morning too. Pretty cool though.
Random things you find in the woods. Alright folks, well, we don't know how long we're going to be in this spot, so we're going to wrap this video because we got some friends coming to visit tomorrow and a couple different people coming throughout the week. So we'll really not sure what we're going to get into the next few days, but that'll be for the next video. So I guess you'll just have to stay tuned and figure that out. We're going to finish this day out by going to get some ice cream down in town because it's hot out. And oh, we're going live tonight, but that'll be in the past by the time you see this. So yeah, so make sure you subscribe, like, comment. We appreciate your support. Can't wait to see what we do this week. You got anything you want to tell them?
Nope, Greg's rambling.
I'm
Thanks
a
for
rambling
watching.
man.